ready to warp time and add some serious visual flair to your videos. Let's dive into manipulating clip speed in DaVinci Resolve 18. First, make sure you've got your clip loaded onto the timeline. Select the clip you want to adjust. Right-click on the clip in the timeline and choose Retime Controls. This opens a small bar above your clip where you can adjust the speed. See that percentage display? That's your speed indicator. Click on the arrow and drag to the left to slow down your clip, or to the right to speed it up. For more advanced control, let's explore time remapping. Click the drop-down arrow in the Retime Controls bar and select Retime Curve. Make sure Retime Speed is selected in the Curve editor now. Click anywhere on the speed graph to add a speed point. You can drag these points up and down to create speed ramps, gradually speeding up or slowing down the clip. Play around with the Bezier handles on each speed point to smooth out the transitions between different speeds. This is how you create those professional dynamic speed changes. Another option is to change the Retime Process. Click the drop-down arrow in the Retime Controls bar and go to Retime Process. Here, you can find different interpolation methods, such as Optical Flow for smoother slow motion. And there you have it. You're now equipped to create stunning speed effects in DaVinci Resolve 18. Experiment, have fun, and make your videos truly captivating.